Hey, thanks for stopping by. In this short video, I'm going to go through how I keep up to date with what's coming up in AKS. So first, let's hit the titles. Right, so basically I use a couple of websites to do this, which I hosted in GitHub. So first, let me just share my screen and we can see the first one, which is the AKS Roadmap. So let me just put the URL up for you for that so you can access that nice and easy. Right, it's cool. So basically, this is a nice GitHub roadmap that the AKS team have created. In here, you get all the backlog, so the things that they're working on hopefully soon, but they've not got around to it yet. What's planned and 100%, well, maybe not 100%, but has been committed to. So this is what they will be working on. What they're currently working on, so the in-progress development stuff. What's publicly in preview, so what's actually shipped but they're still improving, waiting for feedback. What's actually generally available, so what's done out there working, and what's archived. So basically the archived is GA older than 1 month. What's really cool about this screen is like here there's a in progress development work they're working on called planned maintenance window, which to me, that sounds awesome. Being an IT ops guy, maintenance windows were always a thing, and with AKS there's still times where you might need to take some nodes down to do patching and everything like that. So let's have a little look at this and see what they're saying. So they're basically saying they want to support setting a planned maintenance window for AKS. This one really, this is something I would like to see. So I could keep checking back here and keep finding this this little ticket as such, but there's actually an easier way to be notified of any changes. So I can click on that view full information, takes me to this nice sort of issues pane. And near the bottom, there's a button here. At the moment, it says unsubscribe because I'm already subscribed to it. But, basically I can just click subscribe. And now every time someone puts a comment on this or something, part of it changes, it moves to the next stage, I'm going to get an email to my GitHub user email account. And I know something's happened. I can go and investigate, look at it, see what's going on. And it just, lets me know something's happening. This feature is actually going to be happening soon. Maybe it's gone into preview and now I can actually go and play with it, which is awesome. So that's the first bit. This roadmap is just so very important. I find it very useful. I check this probably once a week to see what's going on, what new features have moved around that I haven't subscribed to. So definitely keep an eye on that. So the next bit is actual releases. So the AKS team, every time they do a release, they actually create a release in GitHub. The sort of link to that is also on the screen now. So make sure you go off and check that out. What's really good about this screen is their notes, their release notes, basically. They got the announcements at the top, tells you what's coming, what's going. Like here, this feature's being retired on May the 31st. It's got a link to where you can find out more information. This one's being retired because it's being replaced by a better one. Tells you, it talks about new features about transparent mode for your CNI and everything like that. It's so cool. Even tells you that because the holiday season's come to an end, they're going to stop doing the extended support that they gave you over the holiday season. Then you get down to the actual release notes here. It tells you about the new features coming, the bug fixes, and what preview changes are happening, or changes to preview features or new preview features. Tells you about the base image changes. There's so much information here. And what's really good is they actually have links to the Microsoft Docs page. So here it talks about cluster autoscaling. So if I click on that, it actually opens up the Docs page and to the bit you need to know about, and it has all the information about what's changed and what's happening right there. So it's such a good, best release notes I've seen in a long time. And they have older releases, so you can actually go back and see the previous releases, see what's changed and everything. So like I said, I keep an eye on this. Well, the roadmap I keep an eye on every week. This I've subscribed to, easily done by just watching the repo. So you can just click here. Like at the moment, I've got just click it and you can watch it. It's so good. Highly recommend doing. You're going to find out exactly everything that's coming up. So make sure you do that. Hopefully, you'll find this useful as I do. If you don't, let me know, and we can look at seeing what you do to keep up to date with AKS, and maybe do a video about that. So hopefully you found this video quite helpful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way, it helps me out and makes me know that I'm doing some good content, which is what you want to see. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell, because then every time I release a new video, you're going to get alerted, so you can come and watch it straight away. So thanks very much for watching.